Hello everyone, and thank you to the organizers for the opportunity to speak today. I am a product manager representing Tungsten Photonics, and today we'll explore how machine vision and scientific imaging technologies are helping semiconductor manufacturers overcome inspection challenges created by advanced packaging. I'll be talking about how tungsten cameras come to meet the requirements of rapidly advancing packaging inspection challenges for a diversity of different applications to deliver higher precision, throughput, and reliability. Throughout the session, please feel free to submit questions in the chat. We'll collect them and address them during the discussion period at the end of the presentation. Today's presentation is divided into 4 parts. First, we'll examine how advanced packaging technologies are changing inspection requirements across the semiconductor industry. Next, we'll introduce the imaging and optical technologies that form the foundation of tungsten solutions. And we'll then review practical inspection applications and discuss how to select the right scientific camera for different metrology challenges. And finally, we'll cover our engineering, manufacturing, and quality capabilities and explain how they support reliable deployment in semiconductor production environments. Now, before we get into the technical content, let me take a minute to introduce Tungsten. We've been developing scientific imaging technology since 2006, with a particular focus on high-performance cameras for demanding scientific and industrial applications. Today, we operate from a 10,000 square meter R&D and manufacturing facility, and more than 30% of our team works in research and development. That continued investment in innovation has resulted in 167 patents, including 26 invention patents. Our products are now used in more than 30 countries and regions around the world, supporting a wide range of scientific, industrial, and semiconductor applications. In 2025, Tungsten generated approximately $32.5 million in revenue, equivalent to 220 million RMB, and we continue to see strong growth. And more importantly, these investments in technology, engineering, and manufacturing have enabled us to build imaging solutions that solve real-world challenges for our customers. Many of those challenges are the same ones we'll be discussing throughout today's presentation. Now, before discussing specific solutions, it's important to define what we mean by a scientific camera. Unlike a conventional industrial camera, a scientific camera is fundamentally a measurement instrument. Its purpose is not simply to generate images, but to accurately measure and quantify light itself, including how many photons reach the sensor and how that signal changes over time. So for advanced packaging metrology, feature sizes continue to shrink. So inspection systems have to move beyond image capture and toward quantitative optical measurement. And this is really the core value of tungsten scientific cameras in inspection and metrology systems, improving scientific rigor and measurement reliability. With the rapid growth of AI, high-performance computing, and advanced packaging technologies like CoWoS, structural complexity in semiconductor manufacturing is increasing at a rapid rate. And this creates 3 major challenges for machine vision inspection. The first is miniaturization. Critical features are now in the sub-micron range, and that requires inspection systems to detect extremely small defects across very large fields of view. The second challenge is depth. 3-dimensional structures like TSVs and microbumps create high aspect ratio geometries that are increasingly difficult to illuminate and inspect effectively. And the third is occlusion. These multi-layer structures and heterogeneous materials can hide critical defects beneath the surface, beyond the reach of conventional inspection systems. If we want to address these challenges, we need new approaches to imaging and measurements in the inspection landscape. With increased complexity, we need to improve inspection accuracy alongside it. And this is difficult in part because production environments introduce an additional constraint, which is throughput. Even the most accurate inspection system creates limited value if it cannot keep pace with manufacturing requirements. So the challenge facing the industry is achieving sub-micron detection performance at production line speeds while maintaining high defect detection rates and stable operation and consistent performance throughout. One of the most important technologies in semiconductor inspection is CMOS-based TDI imaging, which combines high sensitivity with exceptional scanning speed. Tungsten TDI cameras are currently deployed across 90% of leading wafer fabrication facilities in China and support a broad range of semiconductor inspection applications. These include both bright field and dark field inspection workflows, covering everything from blank wafers to patterned structures. For fine line redistribution layer inspection, or RDL, throughput and image quality are often competing requirements. Our TDI architecture addresses that challenge through time delay integration, or TDI, which increases signal-to-noise ratio by accumulating signal over time while maintaining continuous motion of the object. And this approach enables shorter effective exposure times without sacrificing defect visibility. So when you combine this with the line rates of up to 1 MHz and 256-stage integration to compensate the photon response, the system allows us to unlock inspection throughput without sacrificing sub-micron resolution. And the Gemini 8K and Gemini 16K shown here are proven standardized solutions for large area high precision scanning applications. To address inspection blind spots created by three-dimensional structures, we employ a multispectral imaging strategy. So on the one hand, for surface and near-surface measurements, we use broadband near-infrared imaging alongside an ultra-low read noise of 0.4 electrons to accurately capture weak scattering signals. At the same time, the camera is compatible with interferometric systems, or PWG, enabling the analysis of nanoscale interference fringes and ensuring ultra-high precision topography metrology. For internal defect inspection, we extend into the shortwave infrared wavelengths of around 1.1 microns, taking advantage of silicon's optical properties to achieve non-destructive subsurface imaging. And that allows you to detect microcracks, sidewall chipping, and microbump shorts that enables interception of hidden defects before packaging and helps to prevent costly yield losses later downstream. Now, all of these capabilities depend on one fundamental metric, and that is signal-to-noise ratio. In highlight applications, we improve SNR through three key technologies. First, larger pixel architectures, which increases full line capacity and enables the capture of more photons. Second is pixel-level signal uniformity correction. Hardware-level corrections alongside higher linearity gain modes ensure measurement consistency across the sensor. Third is stacked back-illuminated sensor technology, improves quantum efficiency while reducing crosstalk, and together all of these technologies deliver the image quality required for demanding metrology and defect inspection applications using UV and bright field. In low light inspection environments, sensitivity becomes the critical performance factor. Our back-illuminated SCMOS technology achieves quantum efficiency of up to 95%, allowing the sensor to capture exceptionally weak signals. Combined with read noise below 0.4 electrons, correction algorithms, and thermoelectric cooling, or TEC, the result is clean, accurate, and highly uniform image data. These capabilities provide significant advantages in applications like electroluminescence inspection, transient defect analysis, and advanced semiconductor materials research. In the field of metrology for advanced packaging, selecting the right camera is a key challenge for many customers. There are three key factors that help to precisely match those requirements. The first is spectral range. For extreme ultraviolet lithography, we provide uncoated back-illuminated cameras to protect against UV damage and ensure good image quality at these wavelengths all the way through to deep UV, visible light, and shortwave IR. The second is signal-to-noise performance, decided by whether the application priorities is high dynamic range and full wire capacity on the one hand, or extreme low light sensitivity on the other, which requires ultra-low read noise, high quantum efficiency, and cooling to reduce dark current. The third then is throughput. Modern inspection systems generate enormous volumes of data, which makes high-speed, lossless transmission essential. With interfaces supporting up to 100 gigabit coax over fiber, Tuxen cameras provide the bandwidth required for today's most demanding imaging inspection platforms. Our area scan portfolio offers products with advantages in high sensitivity, high speed, and high resolution to meet diverse and high precision inspection requirements. The table here lists several representative projects, such as the ultra-high resolution Libra 3243, which balances that high resolution with high speed, the CAM A65M for even larger fields of view and resolution, and the Libra 5514, which is designed for applications requiring extremely high speed. These area scan cameras deliver exceptional performance in resolution, frame rate, and pixel size. And beyond sensor specifications, we place strong emphasis on manufacturing quality. We achieve consistent optical performance and long-term reliability through strict cleanroom production environments, reaching class 100 to class 1000 cleanroom levels, eliminating particle contamination at the source. For blank and patterned bright field and dark field inspection, our Gemini TDI series provides several high-performance options. The Gemini 16K TDI 500K combines 16K resolution, 256-stage integration, advanced thermoelectric cooling, and line rates up to 500 kHz over a 100 gigabit coax over fiber interface, making it ideal for the most demanding inspection applications. The Gemini 8K TDI 500K offers an excellent balance between performance and cost with the coax 12 interface and passive cooling. And for front-end inspection, the Gemini 9K TDI Pro delivers high sensitivity and line rates up to 600 kHz with a 40 gigabit coax over fiber interface. All the models support customized thermal management solutions designed for continuous 24/7 operation. In addition to TDI cameras, we offer several advanced platforms for high throughput area scan inspection. The Libra 27105 provides over 100 megapixels of 2.74 micron pixels, capable of achieving 73 FPS in 12-bit mode thanks to its 100 gigabit coax over fiber interface. With this, we get exceptional image quality due to its ultra-low dark current and 95% QE, as well as achieving very high throughput data acquisition. The Libra 5505 offers a 5 megapixel sensor of 5.5 micron pixels, delivering outstanding frame rate 491 frames a second in HDR mode. And finally, the Aries 6504 offers flexible connectivity with the choice of USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 or two Coax2 Pro CoaXPress 2.0 ports. And this camera gives you up to 170 FPS in dynamic mode and strong overall performance across a wide range of applications as a 4 megapixel camera with a 6.5 micron pixels. Together, these systems help customers to improve inspection efficiency, maximize yield, and reduce production costs. Performance specifications are important, but successful deployment depends equally on engineering execution. Tucson maintains strict in-house contamination control standards up to and at the point of shipment. Advanced alignment processes at the sub-micron level ensure depth of focus consistency in large field of view metrology applications, and in addition, FPGA-based pre-processing is integrated directly into the camera. By performing low-level DSNU and PRNU image corrections before data reaches the PC, we improve data quality while also reducing processing requirements on the host system. Reliability is essential in semiconductor manufacturing, where equipment is expected to operate stably and continuously for years under harsh environments. To validate long-term performance, Tucson operates dedicated environmental, mechanical, and electrical reliability laboratories. Our products undergo extensive testing, including temperature cycling, vibration, shock, and power cycle testing, in accordance with internationally recognized standards. This approach ensures that our cameras can deliver stable performance even in demanding production environments. Our manufacturing operations have also undergone significant modernization. Advanced solder paste inspection to ensure consistency of solder paste printing, AOI or automated optical inspection for full inspection of assembled components, and BGA rework stations to ensure soldering quality. At the same time, we've established a well-structured electronic buffer warehouse for storing electronic materials and semi-finished PCB assemblies, so we get full process, quality traceability, and control. From the S&T assembly line to final system integration, every step is strictly controlled to ensure high product quality and consistency, so you get reliable products at scale every time. And finally, I'd like to highlight again our FPGA level data conditioning at the front end of the acquisition pipeline to create a clean, high-fidelity data stream at the source. This improves the performance of downstream inspection software, yield management systems, and AI-based defect classification models such as ADC or downstream YMS systems. And ultimately, better input data leads to more reliable detection, higher classification accuracy, and improved overall system performance. As a provider of advanced photonic measurement platforms and semiconductor metrology solutions, Tucson is committed to supporting the next generation of semiconductor inspection, and by combining high-performance imaging technology, rigorous quality standards, and scalable manufacturing capability, we help our customers improve equipment performance, increase productivity and maximize yield. Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to future discussions, technical collaborations, and opportunities to work together. If you would like to learn more about our technologies or products, please feel free to contact us using the information shown on the screen. Thank you very much for attending, and we'll speak to you again soon. Thank you very much.